वेलकम टू आर्ट ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशन रिज एडिशन। बिल्कुल ऐसे ऐसे इमेजिन करो तुम केबीसी में आ गए हो ब्रो। बिल्कुल ऐसे इमेजिन करो अमिताभ बच्चन हूं मैं, ठीक है। Good, 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 good. Everybody be ready and listen to me very carefully. First, we're going to talk about me because this workshop is done by me. And the reason we need to talk about me is because I need to give you a little context on who I am. You've seen me on the internet for a long enough time at this point. You've seen me on the internet do what I do. Be charming in a room by myself for hours to the point where you subscribe me. Not just do you subscribe me, you pay me to teach you shit. You've seen me do that. But before this used to be my reality. And I'm not even saying this in an animated, oh, dekho, main yahan tha, main yahan hu type sort of situation. But I'm telling you, when Weber was pulling out this picture to put here, I remember this guy, bro. This is 2011. I'm in Ranikhet. I'm in this hotel का नाम भूल गया, मेरे पापा के फ्रेंड का होटल है. That's where we'd always go to. और उस होटल के रूम के पीछे से निकल के एक रास्ता था वहां पे. तब मैं ऐसे ढीले कपड़े पहनता था ताकि मैं मोटा ना लगूं. और मैं ये कॉलर ऊपर रखता था भाई, ताकि मेरी इनसिक्योरिटी ना दिखे लोगों को. क्या क्या इनसिक्योरिटीज होती है ब्रो उस टाइम बचपन में, ठीक है. मेरे आसपास मेरे फ्रेंड्स से जो मतलब अच्छे गुड लुकिंग थे ब्रो, जिनको ऐसे अटेंशन मिलती थी फीमेल से, मेरे को नहीं मिलती थी ब्रो. मैं ये जो फोटो है इससे 2-3 महीने पहले अपनी एक एक्स के सामने, तब तक वो मेरी एक्स थी भी कि नहीं, मतलब बड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, ऐसे ही पहला नशा टाइप का प्यार था ब्रो. आई रिमेंबर फेंटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर ब्रो, सो एम्बैरेसिंग. आई वाज एक्टिंग फॉर द स्कूल प्ले. आई एम गिविंग एन ऑडिशन, आई गो अप ऑन स्टेज, आई एम परफॉर्मिंग, एंड परफॉर्म करते करते मैं देखता हूँ बैठी हुई है, मेरा सर घूमने लगता है ब्रो, राइट. एंड आई स्टार्ट लाइक, आई एम लाइक, ओ मैं बेहोश हो रहा हूँ. और द डायरेक्टर हु इज ऑडिशनिंग मी इज लाइक, एक्टिंग कर रहा है कि सच में? एंड आई वाज लाइक, नहीं ब्रो, 11th grade करण, आई वाज इन 11th grade. लाइक नहीं, मैं एक्टिंग नहीं कर रहा. तो फिर वो लोग मेरे को लेके जाते हैं क्लिनिक, पानी वानी मारते हैं मुंह पे. बट द पॉइंट इज ब्रो, आई हैड नो सोशल स्किल्स. I had never properly spoken to a woman. Even if I had a girlfriend, it was because I texted her for fucking years at this point to like me. 9th grade में शुरू करा था, 11th grade में उसने हाँ बोला था. Like, the worst part about living in Faridabad is you still meet her. Like Faridabad mein you still have to meet your exes. They're still in the same city. So it's pretty torturous being reminded of that past where like I spent years, bro. And I was a very nervous, afraid kind of fellow. Weber, Wasim, guys in the team, please handle questions. FAQ level pe jo aa rahe hain. Now, as Weber describes me, I'm a stud of some sort. Weber says I have irresistible charm and a magnetic personality. I can say कि एक cartoon level पे छोड़ो, एक realistic level पे, I'm no longer the fellow I was growing up. Like when I look back and उस आंखों से मैं खुद को देखता हूँ, like I'm proud of this, bro. Very good. I haven't been friend zoned forever. Like friend zoned in the sense, like we discussed, friend zoned in the sense कि हाँ ठीक है, नहीं चला नहीं बनी. But I'm never the guy जिसने 2 साल एक लड़की को मैसेज किया कि भाई मेरी तरफ देख ले. I got particularly, I mean, I think 11th grade was 2011. 2015 तक हालात ऐसे हो चुके थे कि भाई तब प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि बहुत अटेंशन है. Like if I don't stop hanging out around women, I will ruin my life. I remember having a distinct conversation with my father about it. क्योंकि मेरे पापा ने गलती से मेरा Instagram देख लिया उस टाइम, और पापा ने बोला बेटा ये चीज ठीक नहीं है, सुधर जाओ. And I made that journey. उसके बाद मैं अमेरिका आया. अमेरिका में I had a lot of L's in the initial days because मेरे को पता ही नहीं क्या करना है. और मैं तो थोड़ा, हाँ भैया हम तो फरीदाबाद से आ गए हैं types. And I had to learn all of that over the next 5-6 years. And so it's been a long journey. I'm painting a 12-year journey, but I've learned so much in this process. And a lot of it I wish for you to understand. But the reason why this before and after is important is because you need to know that it is possible. Deeply here, you need to understand that it is possible, because it would suck if you paid all this money to be here, and if you go out and try, and if you spend all these years fucking pining for attention from women and you don't get there. Because I'll tell you what happens when you don't. You become absolutely sex crazed and sex obsessed. Most people live a sexual neuroses when they go through life. ब्रो इतनी घटिया और चीप हरकतें करते हैं ना लोग सेक्स के लिए कि कोई हिसाब नहीं है. और बोलता नहीं है कोई मुंह पे खुल के कि काश मेरे पास औरतों से अटेंशन होती. क्योंकि सिर्फ अगर एक आदमी को तुम सेक्सुअल एबिलिटी दे दोगे ना, वो ठंडा पड़ जाएगा और फिर वो अपने काम पे ढंग से फोकस करेगा. Majority corruption stems from sex, and it stems at this age. This fucking age is when you let the seeds sow. And I wish that not upon you. I wish that not upon you. I wish you understand and you get the privilege of attracting females to you, bro. It's one of those, like, कोई बहुत meaningful pleasure नहीं है, but it's one of those things, जिंदा हो तो ले लो. बहुत मुश्किल काम नहीं है. देख लो कैसा लगता है. क्योंकि ना तुम, मेरे को पता है 7th क्लास से बैक बेंच पे बैठ के दोस्तों के बीच में डिस्कस करते हो यार सेक्स. जो अर्पित अब इंटरनेट पे जिस तरीके से उस चीज को पोर्ट्रे करता है, बड़ी फनी लगती है. हम पे तो है ही ना, बिकॉज दैट इज रेमिनिसेंट ऑफ अ स्कूल बैकग्राउंड जब ना थी भाई किसी पे. या विकी, आई एम ट्राइंग ब्रो, आई एम ट्राइंग. Sorry, just keep reminding me, okay? But this is reminiscent of that past, bro. And so I wish that you're able to get through this. Mukul, hold on to your questions. We'll get to questions. What this workshop is not. This is not an online dating masterclass. If you've heard me talk about it, I don't believe in online dating. I don't think it's a good place for you to be. Excuse me. Yes, Hardik, a lot of people have carved out. Yeah, it's दूध पी लिया थोड़ी देर पहले. A lot of people have carved out हम पे तो है ही ना as an adult personality. I agree. This is not an online dating masterclass. This is not a workshop on how to pataify your crush. And the reason why this is not a how to pataify your crush workshop is simply this. The fact that you have a crush tells me that you've been around this female for longer than a few months, at which point the odds ki abhi bhi tension zinda hai is rare. How to pataify your crush is like saying कि भाई एक कोमा में से आदमी को जिंदा कैसे करना है. If तुम छोड़ो, तुम तो मेरे को पैसे देके आ रहे हो वर्कशॉप में, मेरा छोटा भाई भी होता ना और मेरे पास आके कहता भैया मेरी एक क्रश है, I'd be like, how long have you known this person? Because to expect कि 6 महीने पुरानी फ्रेंडशिप को तुम घुमा के किसी तरीके से ले आओगे, उसमें ना बड़े contextual factors चाहिए होते हैं. We don't do that. Nobody in their right mind would tell you this is what you need to do to pataify your crush, as opposed to bro, generally better करते हैं situation, general abundance लाते हैं life में, female attention की, generally sexually secure feel करते हैं bro life में, generally sexually secure feel करते हैं life में. And this is not a short seduction method. There are no such things as short seduction method. People are very different, contexts are very different, and people are very different across contexts and times. So, of course, this is not a short seduction method, but over, let's say if you meet 10 people today, after this workshop is done, 1 second, after this workshop is done, you will easily go from, say, 1 out of 10 successes to 7 out of 10 successes. That's what I can promise you. By the way, Vaibhav, Asim.
हाँ जी.
यार वो फॉर्म कहाँ है?
फॉर्म.
असीम. Guys, मेरे को एक चीज याद आई. With 320 people here. Yeah, you will get, Asim, एक तो रिकॉर्डिंग का भी आंसर करो ब्रो.
रिकॉर्डिंग वहां पे आंसर हो चुका है, लाइक
हाँ बता दो.
यू विल गेट इट फॉर 7 days. तुम pravachan.com पे जाके लॉगिन करो, मिल जाएगी वहां पर.
ठीक है. और वो फॉर्म कहाँ है ब्रो?
Vaibhav, can you share the link?
हाँ, वो प्लीज मेक श्योर. गाइज बेसिकली मेरे को ना, बिफोर वी बिगिन, एक्चुअली हैड टू डू दिस बिफोर, आई कंप्लीटली फॉरगॉट. मेरे को यहाँ शॉर्ट पे याद आया. एक फॉर्म है for just understanding data. This is an anonymous form. I don't think your names are asked here, but just to understand how things are and how things work, एक फॉर्म का लिंक भेज रहा हूं. वो फॉर्म भर दो भाई, वो फॉर्म भर दो. मेरे को एक बिफोर आफ्टर डेटा फॉर्म चाहिए, just to see how effective what I'm teaching here today is going to be. It'll take you 2 minutes, nothing more than that. Vaibhav, लिंक भेजो यहाँ पे फट से, ठीक है?
हाँ भेज रहा हूँ.
तब तक मैं क्वेश्चंस ले लूंगा. Then we'll go on. वो फॉर्म भर दो, Prakat 2023. Guys, I'll take questions if you have any questions. When I start moving towards girl, then at that very time, Pin this in the chat, please. Guys, the form link is here. The form link is here. You will also get notes, वगैरह सब, bro. You'll get notes. How do you define high value, bro? It depends contextually on your situation. But low value is not somebody who's, let's say, who's easily distracted by the temptations of sexual market. That's a good place to begin defining that. Please send link. By nervousness, don't worry about being nervous, bro. Send the link, bro. Web of link.
हाँ मैंने चैट ऑफ किया है जब तक लिंक वहां पर है.
अच्छा, okay, everybody fill this out. Fill this out. Fill this out. The link is here. Fill this out. Take a minute and a half, fill this out. फिर शुरू करेंगे, मेरे को भी चैन शांति रहेगी. अच्छा है, मैंने I've paused at a fairly good picture. You guys will remain interested. कैसे मुस्कुरा रहा है? Sultan Ubiquitous asks, where do I meet more women, bro? Within like 5 slides from here. No, not 5, maybe a little more. We'll begin answering the question. How do you meet more people in life? I'm not able to start talking to a girl, Varun. Trust me, after today, you'll have the exact sentence you need remembered and fed in your memory. Fasa hua in your consciousness of what to use when you start talking to girls, bro. Somebody's asking, my ex is dating my best friend. How should I deal, bro? Bro, I would have distanced myself. I have no time for this. Like, that's what I would do. I'd be like, listen, this is drama and I want to go outside and go on adventures and do shit. Like, no time for this drama. Sorry, you guys do what you want. I'm not going to be involved. Because it's kind of weird, bro, for your ex to do that. It's kind of weird for your best friend to do that. And I don't need that shit in my life. I don't need that shit in my life. I would suggest मेरे को यहाँ Zoom पे pin कर लो, bro, सब. Two more minutes. I will let 2 more minutes hang and then we'll go.
लिंक चैट में पोस्टेड है तो लास्ट मैसेज जो है चैट का वो लिंक है.
हाँ मतलब
वो लोग Q&A में पूछ रहे हैं कि लिंक किधर.
अच्छा सही है.
Do you want to open the form and walk them through?
ऐसा भी करूं? भाई किसी को दिक्कत हो रही है क्या फॉर्म भरने में? आप खोल के दिखा देते हैं. पहली बात, आप कौन हो, आपकी उम्र क्या है, आप कौन से शहर से हो, ठीक है? आपका रिलेशनशिप स्टेटस, मेजॉरिटी लोगों का सिंगल होगा. अगर आप रिलेशनशिप वाले आदमी और आप यहाँ बैठे तो आप हमें सिखाएं, हम आपको क्या सिखा रहे हैं? On average, how many dates do you go in a month? I want to know. Be honest. Even if it's less than one का एक ही आंसर होता है, 0, क्योंकि नेगेटिव में डेट पे तो जा नहीं सकते. ऐसा तो नहीं कि तुम डेट पे जाते हो और वो लड़की की जगह एकदम लड़का निकल आता है और तुम बोलते हो -1 डेट हो गई इस महीना. नहीं, तो इवन इफ इट इज 0, ब्रो, इट्स नो. हंस रहा है. जस्ट let me know honestly. मेरे को इस डेटा से पता लगेगा ना, ब्रो, कि मैं क्या बेटर कर सकता हूँ उस पूरे प्रोसेस में. हाउ कॉन्फिडेंट डू यू फील अराउंड अट्रैक्टिव वुमेन? तो कोई कह रहा है नर्वसनेस होती है. अनिकेत, यहाँ पे तुम डालना, लोअर स्कोर आएगा तुम्हारा. कोई अगर ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट फील करता है, तुम शेरशाह सूरी हो तो बढ़िया है. हाउ कॉन्फिडेंट डू यू फील स्टार्टिंग अ कॉन्वर्सेशन? गुड क्वेश्चन. The best people I know feel nervous, bro. How confident are you to keep an interesting conversation going for over 2 minutes? How confident are you asking out an attractive woman out for a date? बिकॉज ये चीजें वो जिस पे हम फोकस करेंगे आज, यही तो हम जादू से बदल देंगे आज, डार्क आर्ट से. दिस इज व्हाट वी विल फोकस ऑन. And assuming you didn't attend this masterclass, how many dates do you think you can get over the next 1 month? Imagine if you did not attend, where would you be at? What are the top 3 challenges you face in your dating life? And how satisfied you are with your current dating life? These are the questions. I think people are done. Chat on kar do, please, just so I know if people are done. Just so I know if people are done. Chat on kar do. Chat. If you're done, put W. If you're still doing, put L in the chat. Okay. I'll give you can't access, no permission, not permission. Bro, permission ka issue hai. Bro, permission ka issue hai. Permission do. Ah, fuck. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry we have to wait for 5 minutes, but that just means we will have fun for longer today. Think about that. L for logistics. I agree, bro. My bad. Yes, L for legend. Let's go. Let's go. Kush in the chat. Asim, can you handle this, please? Vaibhav.
Yes.
Yep.
Permission sort हुआ?
वही देख रहा हूँ, ऐसे होना नहीं चाहिए, but interesting. I'll fix it.
Yeah, fix it. परमिशन लेना चाहिए था, वो वाला मीम भी है इसमें, पता है? अच्छा था तो अभी पहले ही तो था, ये रहा परमिशन वाला मीम यार, परमिशन. Is the form working now? Vivek Singh, for people who've just joined, because I'm still seeing people joining, guys that have just joined, we just went over the briefs. We talked about my journey a little bit of being very socially awkward to, well, kind of being fine, you know. And then we were talking about what this workshop's not. Link dalo. Same issue, bro. This form does not exist.
Can you refresh now? Can people refresh?
Working for me now, working. हाँ, ठीक है, baro. Take 2 minutes. It'll take 2 minutes. This is not an online dating masterclass. This is not about how you patavify your crush. Crushes mein, the problem is, bro, you've already spent too long thinking about them. There is too much pressure built from your side, and they probably know of you. And they've probably mentally done the processing and said, chodo isko. The odds are, if you have a crush on somebody, it's not going to work out. I would place those odds anywhere between 60 to 80%. There's still 40 to 20%. But if you're a gambling person, matlab, tum apni marzi se dekh lo, bro. I don't believe in going after your crushes. I believe in having itni abundance that whoever you ever have a crush on is attracted to you. One of the things we mentioned, maybe in Fundamentals of Attraction, was this, that women delegate their choice of what men they find attractive to other women. If other women like you, like with Dan Bilzerian, then more women are likely to think, yeah, this banda yaar, ye banda badhiya hai. Because they've offloaded their choice. You do it all the time with successful people. Because other people think Elon's smart, you think Elon's smart. Simple as that. We delegate our choices all the time. We delegate our choices all the time. Asim, can you check in the backend if the form responses are coming in?
Yep.
Yep, तो बता रहे हो, आ रहे हैं कि नहीं, ये बताओ.
It's working. People are filling out.
ठीक है, बताओ, जब जैसे जैसे होने लगे मेरे को बताना है ना. And then finally, what this is not is a short seduction method. There is no such thing as short seduction methods. Partly because people are different, partly because contexts are different, partly because people are different in context, and people are different in context over time. So there is nothing as a formulaic stuff that works 10 on 10. However, what is true is that there is a certain attitude, there's a certain mindset, there's a certain way in which you can go about life such that this is enhanced, such that things in the dating world are easier. And उसमें आपको lifestyle level पे 5-7 changes, mindset level पे 5-7 छोटे changes डालने पड़ते हैं. That is what I will say. And that is what we'll focus on. So, क्या लगता है? Should I go forward, Asim? Or should I wait for 2 more minutes?
So people are filling in. We are getting people's forms. Do you want to wait for 2 minutes? So more
ठीक, मैं रुक
people
जाऊंगा,
can-
लेकिन कितने how many form entries आ गए?
150 by now.
ठीक, मतलब आ रहे हैं ना? ठीक है भाई, भर दो, जल्दी भर दो. The link is in the chat and we'll move forward. This is going to be a fun night. आज हम स्लीप ओवर कर रहे हैं गाइस, आज हम फ्रेंड्स हैं. पिलोस निकाल लो, पिलोस से खेलेंगे.
क्या टाइम हो रहा है वहां पे?
Bro, 2:30 bro.
Proud of you, bro.
जैज भी बैठा. जैज अरे हेलो कर दे. देखो मैं तुम्हें मिलाता हूँ अल्टीमेट स्टड से. जैज ने जो इस टाइम पे भाई पुलिंग कर रखी है ना, यहाँ पे पुलिंग स्टीलिंग सब कर दिया ब्रो. जैज इस टाइम पे if you go into the streets of New York and you're like, bro, have you seen that Indian? They'll be like, Jazz? They know, bro. They know. Jazz दुकान जाता है कॉफी खरीदने, लेके आता है भाभी. जैज है इस टाइम पे बिल्कुल A1 प्लेयर, असली रिजलर, जैरिजलर. Jazzler, bro, Jazzler. So wherever we have doubts today, guys, in the entire session, at any point, if there's a doubt in your system, if you feel doubtful, ask Jazzler. आप अपने मन में बोलोगे Jazzler, 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 और फिर पूछोगे अपने आप से वो क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? And then we'll see if the answer comes. Okay, Asim, what is the status?
We have about 220.
ठीक है. Guys, are you still chat on कर दो. Guys, कोई wrap up कर रहा है? कोई अभी अपने questions के बारे में सोच रहा है? कॉफी डाल देगा. पानी भी ले आइयो ठंडा. Done. W. कोई अभी भी अगर अपने क्वेश्चन के बारे में छोड़ रहा है, L लिख दो. Yeah, bro. I see W's in the chat and I love it, bro. I love it. I love it. You guys are excited? Okay. Is anybody left? Please mention L. Link is lost. भाई उसको link दे दो भाई. किसी को link रह गया. भाई कैसे चलेगा भाई ये? सेबेस्टियन गार्डन में बड़े से W के नीचे 10 करोड़ है. हाँ तू टेंशन मत ले ऋषभ त्यागी. Don't worry about your questions, bro. I'll handle your questions. I have to meet one girl on LinkedIn, लेकिन अभी she isn't giving any भाव जितना पहले देती थी. क्या गलत हुआ होगा? How to identify, bro? This is a rabbit hole I recommend you never get into in life. Because, bro, look, this is going to be, especially in your single life, no, you'll have a lot of these moments, but also afterwards, you will have a lot of these moments in professional contexts, in business contexts. And you never know. Bro, you never know what changed. Like after having been in this situation, Bhavesh, maybe close to 100 times, I have realized अंधेरा बहुत बेहतर है bro, नहीं जानने का अपने को. You don't know the wide variety of things that could have occurred. And so what you start doing is either you blame yourself or you blame them. Because somebody has to be blamed. Pehle situation was nice. Now something's wrong. Somebody has to be blamed. Either I did something wrong, which you are saying, what could have I done wrong? Or she is a wrong person. Because if I'm not wrong, then she has to be wrong. Sometimes it's just circumstantial, bro. You never know. Don't fall for it. Don't confuse yourself. Okay. Okay, I'm going to begin. Asim, green signal.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Okay. Everybody caught up until here? Let's move on. What this workshop is, I'm going to teach you 4 basics today. The first one is going to be, where do you meet women? Because this is a big question. This is an important question. The second one is going to be, what do you say? How do you talk to them? Because by God, have I seen people embarrass their asses with women. And it's almost like they don't understand कि यहाँ पे you have to play a different track in your mind. And finally, how do you close them for a date? How do you finish the conversation for a date? Because there is a term which we used to say, which इसको हम बोलते थे अपने friends में, a 30-minute conversation to nowhere. Where like a guy will get into a conversation with a girl And the conversation will go on for 30 minutes as the guy just deals with his emotion. He's like, she's talking to me for 30 minutes before Asim mute. Mute Asim. Before the girl's like, okay, bye. And the guy's like, okay, bye. And she goes. You never close, and you never close fast enough. If this was a sales workshop, I'd tell you close more often. But in general, express your intent more often. You're wasting too many conversations. And finally, important mindsets that will 3x your dating chances. So, and then we'll have question answers, whatever, FAQs. Right. Mindsets. Ladies and gentlemen, mindset number 1. Most men do not understand this for some reason, but repeat after me. Women desire relationships and sex as much as men. Repeat after me. Tell this to yourself. And notice you will have but this, but that. Notice. Repeat to yourself. Men desire relationships and sex as much as women desire. Because bro, insani hai na? Same motivational structure. If anything, women desire relationships way more than men and sex slightly more than men. Relationships way more because women crave the security, and sex slightly more because they never really find good partners. Men think, oh, you get so much attention all the time. For women, bad options are no options. It's as good as zero options, which is the case with most of you, which is the case with most men throughout their lives. The only difference is that the way men select and the way women select is different. Men think, we'll come to this point. More importantly, the difference between a woman's attraction and a man's attraction is the difference between a switch and a regulator. I'll give you an example. If I show you an Instagram model, fairly attractive, right? I'm not saying, if I show you an Instagram model, are you going to be attracted to her or not attracted to her? Yes or no, right in the chat. Your switch is on, you're attracted to her. If I give her a horrible personality, would you still be attracted to her or would you not? Yes or no? More or less you would be. You don't really give a shit about personality. More or less, you only give a shit about how she looks. Yeah, if she's completely annoying and crazy, like separate situation. But it's like, okay, she doesn't have the greatest personality, but she's a very attractive woman, this, that. She looks like a model. Mostly you are attracted. Right? If I find a woman who's not conventionally attractive and I give her God's greatest personality and a brilliant job, do you care? She's not attractive. She may have the best personality. She may be funny. You know, her job's great. You don't care. It's non-attractive. Men, sexual attraction is fairly simple. It's like a switch. A lot of it is visual. A lot of it is based on what looks to you. For women, it's more like a regulator. Jaise fan regulator hota na, where many boxes have to be checked for it to operate at full degrees. We discussed this very deeply in Fundamentals of Attraction. But the point is, for women, bro, sexual choices are more expensive. Men don't get pregnant. Women can get pregnant. And sexual choices biologically were shaped around the possibility of pregnancy. So women are more careful in how they select. They have more things to look at. Men are just dumb. Men are simple and stupid about it. Men are like, visual, done. Yes, classic RSD. You are right, Anubhav. Second important mindset you need to know is that there is no perfect formula. Because very often men that are unsuccessful in dating, in trying to meet women, think, oh, I don't have the money. Oh, my looks are wrong. My status is upside down. And that is why I don't get it. There's a few important perspectives to be gathered here. One, the way you look at yourself defines so much of what happens in the outside world. There was a very interesting study, which I think I will never stop repeating after this point. A group of women were said, listen, we are going to make up and give you scars. Okay? Chehre pe, you'll have scars and you'll go in for interviews and you have to tell us after these job interviews experimental job interviews if you were discriminated against. And right before they were about to enter the job room, they were like, let us give you a little touch up. Or us touch up made they removed the scars. So the women walked in completely looking fine, no scars. This is for all you short kings, you bald kings, and you fat kings in the chat right now. Vicky, hold on to your question, bro. We'll answer this question. All you short, bald, and fat kings in the chat. These women go in and they sit inside these interviews, come out saying, God, they were making explicit remarks about our scars. ये तो हमको इतना discriminate कर रहे थे because of our scars, even though they had no scars on their face. This is how insecurity operates. You start attributing everything to your own flaws constantly, when there is no flaw as such to be in the first place. So the first thing is, people think I don't have X, therefore I will never be successful. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Skinny king, let's go, no problem. The second thing is, bro, guys who have money, looks, and status compete with guys who have money, looks, and status. And then suddenly they realize we need something else. It's called having personality. It's called having riz, charm, or game. At no level is money going to be enough. At no level are looks going to be enough. At no level is status going to be enough. You will need what you're going to learn here today. The third thing is childhood positive reinforcement. And what that means is a lot of people, bro, when they're young, no, for whatever reason, fall into this loop where they do something silly, it works, and they do it more and it works, and suddenly they realize stuff. Like you grew up around guys who were very smooth with girls. They fell into a loop of childhood positive reinforcement. They just got lucky, bro. They just said that thing and it worked, and they realized, oh my God, it works. For us guys, bro, we just said the logical thing. We tried our best. So you need to know there is no perfect formula. Some people are naturals because they fell into it. It was an accident. They saw their older brother do it. They saw their older brother do it well. Money, looks, and status help massively, but you still need game. You still need charm. Number 2, important mindsets. I see. Yeah. Number 2, important mindsets. Rejection is normal. We did that with that video where I got a bunch of my friends to talk about how many times they've been with someone and how many times they've gotten rejected. Any guy I know who's been successful with meeting a lot of women who've given him attention and he's had the privilege of liking, loving, sharing intimacy with, has gotten rejected at least 2 times more than he's been successful. It's straight up such a, मतलब थोड़ी और बर्फ डाल रहा है, भर ला इसको बर्फ से. मतलब ये इतना सिंपल स्ट्रेट फैक्ट है ना, फेलियर, रिजेक्शन, कि मतलब भाई आदमी ना भूल ही जाता है, काउंट भी नहीं करता उस रिजेक्शन को, काउंट भी नहीं करता उस रिजेक्शन को. They don't even bother with that rejection. That is how it ends up being. कि मतलब मैं कैसे बता दूं नंबर, मेरे को याद ही नहीं. So that is the level at which you have to get okay with rejection. The problem with most people who never get good at the male-female interaction is that they're so afraid of rejection. So deeply afraid of rejection. They're never truly sure how do they even go out and live their lives. They're so afraid of rejection. And fact of the matter is, bro, you need one good girlfriend, na? So अगर तुम 10 बार reject हो भी रहे हो तो क्या बड़ी बात है? 10 बार तो successful होना point भी नहीं है ना. 10 तो तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड हो भी नहीं सकती ना. You only need one. Guys, I need silence in the chat unless you have a question in a question answer. Silence. It's distracting. You are not learning. Your friends are not learning. Fact of the matter is, bro, you cannot even win every time. You don't even want to win every time, but you're just afraid to lose every time. Why? Because rejection hurts your understanding of yourself. Rejection hurts the self-concept you have. You don't know who you are. You think I'm good, bro, I'm smart. But if I get rejected, then I'm not smart and I'm not good enough now. And I don't want to find out. I don't want to find out. I don't want to find out I'm not good enough. But remember, just like in life, as well as in relationships, you need one good relationship and you need one good successful point in life. Be completely fine being rejected and you will find you succeed a lot more. This is the lesson anybody who's ever spent enough time around women will teach you this. क्या होता है यार, rejection ही तो है, आगे बढ़. वो तेरे को जानती नहीं. She doesn't have the time to know you. She's not spent enough time with you. Even if she rejected you, she rejected you, this version of you she saw. It's not even you. Relax, chill. Because the thing is, bro, men always have the responsibility to initiate interaction. And if you start, she has the ability to reject. One of the more interesting things about rejection that I found in my life is as soon as you have a more purposeful existence, it doesn't hurt that bad being rejected by women anymore. Because you are so much more about your purpose. Tumhara purpose is not acceptance from women. The larger point is, bro, in the absence of a purpose, the only feedback you get from is people accepting or rejecting you. When you have a purpose, your feedback is, how am I doing vis-a-vis my purpose? Suppose mera purpose mein nerd hu, mera purpose school mein, I want to be the topper in my college. Then the feedback is if I'm topping or not. Na? It's not people's acceptance or rejection. And the last thing I want you to do overall when it comes to rejection is, instead of thinking of the outcome of the interaction, think about the interaction and the process of it. मेरे को मजा आया कि नहीं? मेरे को मजा आया तो कोई नहीं रिजेक्शन हो जाए. हमें तो मजा आया, हम तो हंसे, हमने तो खी करी. We found jokes in there. I had a good time. I had a fun time. And that really depressurizes the interaction. And it stops the blame game. Because like we were just talking about, right? Either I am wrong or somebody has to be wrong. Therefore, it did not work. Nah? Therefore, it did not work. And every time you think you are wrong, you lower your self-esteem. And every time you think she was wrong, you create this misjudged emotion towards an entire breed of people, bro. You think women are wrong. Rejection is normal. Think of rejection as avoiding bad relationships. It's a pre-filtering mechanism. Rejection is where 60% of all philosophy in relationships is in rejection. Anyway, number 3, think sharing, not taking. Most men make this mistake when they're talking to women. They think that मैं यहाँ कुछ लेने आया हूँ, मैं इसका impression लेके चला जाऊँगा. Right? They don't think I'm going to share myself. They think I'm going to take her approval. And this taking approval, if you look at the psychology of it, it's like, I've already decided I like her. I know I like her. She's cute for me. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to bring her approval for me. And so you always appear like you are hiding something. You always have something you want to take. And anytime you meet somebody who wants to take something from you, you can sense. So she can sense the same thing. He's here to take something. That's just bad vibes. Winners walk into rooms saying, I'm here to share myself. I'm here to have fun together. I'm not here to take your approval and run away. I'm here to share. And that requires you to be so much more comfortable with who you are, with your personality. In some way, it requires you to be proud of your personality. I want you to think you are the prize. This is, if there's one lesson you have to take from here and remember for the rest of your life, walk into rooms thinking you are the prize. Every time I walk into a room, I made this promise to myself when I was 19. I was like, aaj ke baad, every time I walk into a room, I'm going to walk in like I am the chief guest. And you'd be surprised how often people do what you want them to do when you walk in like that. Because people don't know. People are looking for please, aap mere guru ban jao. Please, you become the authority. That's what people are like, bro. People require a strong presence around them. Not only that, people respond to symptoms of authority more than real authority. Especially in a spot like India. People are looking for messiahs everywhere. You walk into a room like you own the room, people will come and ask you if you own the room. I tell this story very famously from 2016. This is, I don't even remember what month, but a very complicated night in Tabula Rasa, which is a club in New Delhi. I don't know if it still exists. It used to be. Tuesday night used to be ladies' night. So a bar full of women. Best place for guys like myself at that age. And I was running a circus that night, bro, in that bar. Just like bunch of different things happening. And almost as if I own the place. So this guy comes up to me, really, and he's like, bro, ye aapka club hai kya? And I'm like, nahi. कहता है हाँ अच्छा ठीक है क्योंकि ये मेरा क्लब है. And he was actually the owner of that club. But he was like, what is this show happening here? Why is everybody listening to this guy? It is because that effect, that authority assumption has sort of networked its way through the crowd. And this is how stupid people are. People are bhed, bro. And forget how stupid people are. This is how important you should be to yourself. Why is somebody else the main character in your life, bro? This is how important you should be to yourself. I have walked in. This is the room that will have my attention tonight. That's a big deal, bro. You should assume you're the prize. Walk like you're the king. I cannot tell you the number of people who walk into places with, and it looks like inka koi purpose nahi hai. Like, why are you here? Like nervous, bro. Like nervous. You're walking into a place, it should be like you own it. How you treat yourself is how others treat you. The next principle, and this is probably the last one maybe, is express, don't impress. If you get this down, most of your problems will go away. You speak to impress. You speak, this is how you speak, okay? What does the other person want to know? मैं ऐसा क्या बोल सकता हूं to the other person that they'll find interesting and impressive? And then you try to guess this and speak that. No wonder you speak such boring nonsense because you don't even know me, bro. You don't know what I find impressive. And I'm not here to be impressed by you. मेरे को time ही नहीं है. मेरा mood ही नहीं है कि तू मेरे को impress करे. Why are you trying to impress me? Why don't you just focus on expressing? Fact of the matter is, bro, most people don't know what they'll find impressive. Any attempt to be impressive is non-impressive. Even with a guy like fucking Tate, who will try to impress you with his Bugatti and his female attention, non-impressive. You see that part and you're like, abhi ye to marketing hai, isko hatao. It's the least impressive part about the guy. Don't try and impress. Just speak about what you're interested in passionately, even if it's nerdy nonsense, even if it's comic books. I swear to God, you give me 5 minutes and I'll make your life like, I've never really read comic books, but let's say Fortnite, okay? Fortnite's a very nerdy, childish thing that I'm very interested in. 5 minutes and I will make you feel like Fortnite's the future because I'm passionate about it. I do this with girls. Like I've done this with women. Fortnite pe, date pe, baatein kar ली पूरी रात. पागल हो गई, कह रही भाई क्या बात कर रहा है? This is the future. Bro, I've seen people like have the dumbest conversations about nothing, bro, on dates. But they're passionate about it. And the other person can feel it. The other person has no preconception of what they like. They're waiting for you to tell them what to like. And what you like is what they will like if you're passionate about what you like. ये बात समझ में आ रही है? अभी तक are you W until here? And what happens when you do this is also, bro, you are not pretending. So whoever accepts your passion is also good for you, na? Sorry, yaar, ये दूध पता नहीं कैसा घटिया दूध पी लिया मैंने. Because what really happens when I talk about Fortnite and she gets interested about Fortnite is I didn't pretend to like something that she likes and then get her attention. Now this relationship is going to last longer. Pre-selection is better. Because I just literally was myself and she liked it. Then you don't have to pretend later on. She knows who I am from the start.